Hey, Christian here with Apollo Screen and Shade in San Diego. I want to show you what we just finished up in Kingview Estates in Vista. This home has incredible ocean views facing due west. Sunsets you can't put a price on, but that western sun was so harsh, the homeowners couldn't even enjoy the view. They were closing blinds and curtains, shutting out the best part of the house just to stay comfortable. That's exactly what PowerScreens are built for. We installed screens on these large windows and dialed in the fabric specifically to protect from the afternoon sun while keeping the view wide open. When these screens are down, you're looking right through them, the ocean, the sunset, all of it. But without the glare and the heat beating in on you, and when you don't need them, one button and they disappear. Nothing blocking that view. No curtains, no blinds, just glass and that $1 million sunset. Every PowerScreen is custom measured and manufactured in our shop. No middlemen, no guessing. We've been doing this for over 20 years, and every install is handled by our own team. Visit our showroom at 2121 Enterprise Street in Escondido to see them up close. Or give us a call at 858-544-5259. We'd love to help you.